ko naman alam kung ilalagay ko dyan. Hindi po kasi kumakain yan. Maglalagyan ko na lang siya rito. Busy siya doon sa kanyang tournament.
Is really good. Our player accounts, fantastic. There's no confusion. If you actually spend 5 minutes to create an account, actually takes less than that. You hit your Discord, you log in, put in your player tag, put in your Solana wallet, you're good to go. Go to the tournament tab, hit participate or spectate, you're good. Literally 5 minutes. It's not that complicated. Don't ask people to share the password with you. You're not going to get it. We try to keep it.
Ilang minuto pa? 6 minutes?
Kumain ka na.
Ay, hindi.
Mauna
Hindi
ka.
pa ako tapos.
Matagal to.
Yung ginagawa ko.
Subuan mo na.
You guys are already ranked. You select a deck that's in a roll, not in a rank. Somehow it doesn't carry over. Man, we got a lot of players today. Last week, when we had our expert tournament, we only had like 20 something players.
35.
What are the predictions? You know, how many players we're gonna get today? So we're definitely getting a lot more. We have on TikTok. They're really
TikTok.
They may not be at pro level, but they're really, really good.
Sige nga. Yeah.
Kaya mo yan.
Are these predictions close?
I believe in you. I believe in you. Fight.
Right now.
Tournament.
Okay, most of you
Royal
guys
Clash of...
predict
Ano yan? Royal
that
Clash?
I'm going to finish
Royal Clash of Royale.
and then second place is top 10. That's really tough. That's 130. And then what others? How many players? This one's a lot. This one's a clash pool. How many players will play today? Exceeding 37. This is close.
30.
A lot of you guys said yes, it's going to exceed 37. A lot of you guys said no, it's almost 50-50.
Gano'n ba katagal game?
And right now, we have 38.
Isang oras, gano'n?
So, unless some of these are not registered,
Hala, di magugutom ka niyan.
Kumain ka na.
Ay, di pagtapos ko kakain ako. Ha? May ginagawa pa ako eh.
Hindi. Huwag mo. Hintayin mo.
See, this is
Okay, subuan mo.
Flash Picks will make
Sige.
things so much more enjoyable. Unfortunately, those of you guys watching TikTok, you don't know what I'm talking about. You can't see Clash Picks. That's why you could join on YouTube and see a little bit more. But Clash Picks is going to make things more exciting. In the future, we're going to link it. So all these events around our tournaments will automatically appear in your player's account. That's another reason why we want people
Ang tagal
to
naman
use
tournament
the
niya,
player
isang oras.
because people still don't use it. They're still like asking, what time is the tournament? When does it start? How do I get a message?
Continuous yung ganon.
It's so easy.
Walang hintuan.
And this is all,
Hindi.
even this calendar on the
Parang
tournament
random.
page is according to your time zone. It will tell you exactly when things start.
So, isang beses ka matawag, okay na yon.
They'll tell you when it starts. They'll tell
Hindi.
you,
Laban-laban pa rin.
they'll tell you what
Oh.
rank
Paramihan ng
you
panalo.
are, the rank of the entire group. I mean, it'll tell you everything.
Kung sino pinakamaraming panalo siyang first blood.
And Clash Picks, if you want to use it, this is the world's easiest prediction platform. Join our Discord. Right now it's a beta. I will whitelist you if you have a Solana wallet. And you can go ahead and start testing it. It's
Bumili ka ng chapche.
awesome. We're making
Oo,
changes
nandun.
every
Nakasama.
single day. Every
May
single
kasamang hilaw yun. Nilagay ko sa red.
Hilaw? Bakit?
Baka. Iihaw.
day. It closes how
Libre?
many supporters stream. I don't
Kasama.
know.
Sa bahay. Binipin mo.
We got 38 players. 2 minutes left. I'm just curious. I'm going to go and look at how many players participated last week. Last week, well, it's about right. right, last week we had
So, ayun. Gagaling lang natin sa work at may bumili ng food si Dumpy. Siyempre, ang aking paboritong boba. Ayun, sa bago po yan sa Jen Korean Barbecue Hours. Meron pa kasi kaming doon, gift card. So, ginamit niya. Nagdagdag na lang siya. So, tignan natin kung ano ang kanyang, ganda naman na. Kala mo regalo eh. Ano ba ito? So, wala. Ayun, kung anik-anik ang laman sa loob. Okay. Siguro ito, chopstick. May damit pa yata. Ano ba to? Lalim eh. Baba ko nga dito, di ko maabot. Ganda naman ang presentation nito. Dapat lang siya bumanda, ang mahal eh. 50 daw to, 50 plus. So, ayan po, ang ating food kit. Kung ano ba to? Kimchi. Ito, potato yata ito. Mahirap ang tanga. Hindi po kasi mga, ano ba to mga sauce na ere? Ito siguro, ano to, sili. Soy sauce. Tumalsik na sa kamay ko. Tinikman ko na rin. Plus, ano ba to? Sibuyas? Whatever. Kung ano-ano po. Nagutom na ako. Hindi ko ano bakit. Chapchi yan. Ayan. Ang dami. Kain po tayo. Iinit ko muna. Yung pansit lang kinakain ko dyan. Sumasali sa tournament si Dumpy, kaya dala ko siya ng food doon. Ayan po. Thank you, Dumpy, ha. Thank you dito sa aking boba. And everything. Butter. Ano ba? Butter, Anong tawag? Brown sugar. Ang ano niyan. Ito po yung ating food ngayon sa Korean Jen. $50 to. Mahal, Okay, kain po tayo. 50 plus daw pala. Let's eat. Dala ko ng pagkain si Dumpy. Isa lang chopstick. Ano ba yun? Kung isa lang ba kakain yun? Hindi ko naman alam kung ilalagay ko dyan. Hindi po kasi kumakain yan. Maglalagyan ko na lang siya rito. Busy siya doon sa kanyang tournament. Hindi pa siya kumakain. Ano ba to? Ayan. Lagyan natin ng ganito. Hindi ko talaga alam kung paano. Lagyan natin ito. Lagyan natin kimchi. Ano ba ito mga to? Ayan. Pagkain niya. Okay. Gugutom na ako. Kain na po. So, dami po ng laman. Ito lang kinakain ko. Chapchi, kanin. At saka itong, masarap tong kanilang mashed potato. Parang ice cream. O, dinala ko na ng pagkain. Kain po. Ito sa akin. Alright. Chapchi, kanin. Kuha akong corned beef mamaya. Kain muna ang pansit. Kain po tayo. So, ayun po mga kuratsa, umarya na naman ang aking katakawan. Nakita ko to sa store. Sabi ko, caramel. Paborito kasi caramel eh. Sabi ko, nakakain kaya ng ganyan yan. Drop or easy melting. Sabi niya, bumili na ako dati nito eh. Hindi ko rin naubos, tinapong ko. Bumili na naman ako. Ready to add to your favorite recipe. Wala namang recipe para dito. Gusto ko siyang kainin ng ganyan, caramel. Hindi to healthy ah. Huwag niyong gayahin. Pero hindi naman ako malakas kumain, mga isang supot lang. Masarap siya, parang gatas lang, ganun. Parang pastilya. Oh, ba't mo ilalagay sa recipe? Kainin mo ng ganyan. Masarap, makunat. Nakain ba ng ganito to? Mahilig po kasi ako sa caramel eh. Nutrition packs. Calories 50. 2% fat. Cholesterol 0. Yay! Zero cholesterol daw. Pwede sa akin to. Sarap. Tikman niyo to. Pwede papakin, pwede ilagay sa ulam. Ayaw ko kung saan ilalagay. Basta sabi, ready to add to your favorite recipes. Yun lang. Gatas lang naman to eh, na binilot na parang kulangot. Bastos. Masarap. Caramel bits. Takaw.